औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान और रहम करने वाला है। What is electricity? Flow of electrons through a conductor is known as electricity. There are two types of electricity. First one is static, which is stationary, and the second one is dynamic, which is moving. What are free electrons? When electrons leave their orbits, they are referred as free electrons. What is conductor? A material that contains a number of free electrons is known as conductor. There are few examples. For example, metals, gold, silver, aluminium, copper, and the water is good example of conductor. What is non-conductor? A material that contains limited number of free electrons. For example, wood, rubber, glass, and mica are examples of non-conductors. What is semiconductor? Semiconductor are materials which have a conductivity between conductors and non-conductors. Examples of semiconductors are silicon and gallium arsenide or cadmium selenide. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz. There are some ways to produce electricity. Electricity can be produced by friction, by pressure, heat, and with the help of light, with a chemical reaction, and magnetism. Magnetism is the most expensive way to produce electricity. There are three basic requirements for the production of electricity through magnetism. First one is magnetic field, the motion of the wire, and the piece of a wire. What is voltage? Electrons' movement through a conductor is because of EMF, which is known as electromotive force. The unit of EMF is volt. The symbol of volt is E. Voltmeter is used for measurement of voltage. What is current? For electrons movement through a conductor from one end to another, there should be a potential difference between these 2 points. Passing of electrons through a point is known as current. The unit of current is ampere. The symbol used for current is A. Smaller unit milliampere and microampere are generally used. Ammeter is used for measurement of current. What is resistance? When current passing through a conductor, it has two-phase resistance. Passing of electron through a point is known as current. And the unit of resistance is ohm. Ohm is represented by a Greek symbol omega. Resistance of any conductor depends upon four things. First one is material type of the conductor. Different materials have different resistance. For example, silver and copper have low resistance. The second thing on which resistance of a conductor depend is the length of the conductor. Resistance of a conductor is proportional to the length. Means if there is more length, then there will be more resistance. The third thing, third feature on which the resistance of a conductor depends is cross-sectional area of a conductor. Resistance is inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. means more cross-sectional area, less resistance. The fourth one is temperature. Resistance is directly proportional to the temperature. More temperature, more resistance. But this is for metals. More temperature, less resistance in case of non-metals. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel to encourage us.